Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a story game part 3. So let's get right into it. First, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get the model from the description. It's going to include some events that you're going to need to put in GUI events and an event that you're going to need to put in toggle events. Now what you're going to want to do is go to put everything that you need in starter GUI and do the same for everything else. Now what you're going to want to do is go into server script service, go into the main script. Now you're going to want to add the timer event here to line 9. So what it should be before this is, hold up, let me just copy that like that. Should be like that before this. Now what and then you're going to want to go down and type in this line. I'll give you a few seconds to type it. Moving on, you can now see that I used some of the toggle events with the objective event, everything. It should work. If you want to, you can just copy all this from here. Unless you want to, have the NPC say other things. But make sure to make it at least one objective in this part 1. And then make sure that there's also a timer for the objective. Now there's part 2, in which I haven't gotten to yet. But you can just copy this while I get to it. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to say you're going to want to put dialogue event colon fire all clients brackets NPC image comma NPC name comma. You can type in anything here like that. It has to relate to what you said up here. Then we can eat, go to the picnic table, this picnic table thing. You could do whatever you want. It just has to relate to that. Let's sit at the picnic picnic table. And then we'll put in a wait of 4 seconds. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add in a teleport point. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. I also have to make sure that my picnic bench has a seat. Map, picnic. Alright. Yep, so there's seating at the picnic table. Now what you're going to want to do is add a part. Make sure it is anchored. Click. And make sure that transparency is set to 1. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to you're going to want to just move it to your, like, it also has to, like, make your like dialogue has to make sense with, like, sitting somewhere, or like it has to be like doing something. So hopefully the seating, like, yeah, there's a chair, so I'll be able to sit. Or this is a teleport point for your NPC, not for like the character, so make sure just follow that. Wait, no, it's not going to be a teleport point. It's going to be a walk to point. So the NPC is going to walk to your point. Name it to picnic point, just like that. Now inside your map, add in a folder. I'm gonna also separate all these. Nope. And to do Alt G, Control Alt G, map, and then walk to points. And drag in the picnic point into the walk to points, just like that. Now what you're going to want to do is go back into your main script, go up to NPC settings. What you're going to want to do is type in local walk to points equals to game dot workspace dot map dot walk to points. Okay, I actually messed up. You're supposed to put it in the NPC folder, not the map. Now what you're going to want to do is go down again to here. I want to say NPC model dot humanoid colon move to walk 2 points dot picnic point dot position comma there, that's it. And then we'll do NPC model dot humanoid colon move dot move to finished colon weight, and then we'll put in a weight 4 and then we'll type in make this refer to the point where you're at. So like for example, I'm going to put in food colon fire all clients NPC image comma NPC name comma did anyone bring any food? That. And then go down, wait for, go out, and inside of replicated storage, add in a folder, like this, add in a folder, name it objectives. Inside of that, add in another folder, name it to whatever you're like trying to find. So for me, it's gonna be like, for example, Apple objective. It has to relate to like what you're doing. So for me, it's like related to food, so it's gonna be like apples. And then inside, add in a number value, name this to apples found, or whatever this first thing is with plural, because like you're trying to find it and it's counting the number of whatever object it is found. Now what you're going to want to do is go into the toolbox, search for like anything, like really. I'm going to just put in apple. Make sure it doesn't have a virus. I'm gonna make sure this is named after the thing, whatever it's called, whatever it is. So I'm gonna have 3 apples. I will be back when I have placed them all. Alright, I've placed the apples. I'll show you where one is. 1, right there. 2, right here. And 3, right there. Should probably put rocks in this map, but whatever. 3 is right, like, lodged in the tree. I probably shouldn't have put it, like, lodged in the tree. I should probably put it, like, behind, like that. So it's just poking out a little bit. Yep, there we go. Alright, so once you've done that, like, once you place your objects, or you could just copy what I do. Could put it in a group, name it to like to whatever you're trying to find, but plural. So just Control G or Command G if you're on a Mac. Name it to whatever you want. For the tutorial, I'm just naming it apples because like they're apples. Now what you're going to want to do, or instead of just apples, name it apples, or apples model. And then what you're going to want to do is put it inside of the Apple objective folder, or your objective folder, I mean. And then add in a script into the model. Name this to collection script. Collection a crypt is what I spelled it as. Collection script. Just like that. Local apples found equals game duplicate storage dot objectives dot apple objective dot apples found, and then for I, comma, apple in pairs, script dot parent colon get children do if apple colon is a, and then put in speech marks, base part, then go down and type in local, click detector equals to instance dot new brackets speech marks, click detector. Actually, I'm also gonna place this A for capital. And then place it inside of the apple. And then what you're going to want to do is type in click detector dot max activation distance equals to 16. So you can't just click them from all the way around the map. And then click detector, dot mouse click, connect, function, like that. And we'll put in apple, destroy, and then apples found, dot value, plus equals to 1. Now what you're going to want to do is go back to your main script. Go all the way to the top and type in, under the timer event, type in local objectives equals, equals to game dot replicated storage dot objectives, like that. Then go down and type in actually, you're going to want to make some dialogue first. Random player is going to speak, and then dialogue event, fire all clients. Player image, player name, no, we didn't, something like that, and then wait for, and then dialogue event, fire all clients, NPC image, NPC name, let's look for some apples. And then you're going to want to wait 6. And then you're going to want to toggle the events. You're going to want to change this to false. And this one to true. Then you're going to put in local apples found, or the name of your number value inside of your apple objective. It goes to objectives dot apple objective dot apples found, and then local apples model equals to objectives dot apple objective dot apples model, and you want to do apples model dot parent equals to workspace, like that. Or no, actually, never mind. I'm gonna do clone dot parent, and then you're gonna put it as game dot workspace, just like that. And then I'm gonna put in a while wait 2 brackets do objective event colon fire all clients brackets speech marks find apples or whatever you're trying to find, and then you're gonna put a colon and then you're gonna put in apples found dot dot, and you're gonna want to put in dot dot here, apples found dot value, and then you'd put it out of 3. Just like that. Alright, it's whatever. Now, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go stay inside of the while loop, go down, type in if apples found equals to 3, then go down, type in wait 1, and then type in break. And then this should be the end of the loop. So you're gonna wanna toggle the dialogue and objective events. And that should be it for this video. If you want to test it out, and I'll test it out real quick. Let me just hide the timer GUI. Also ignore GUI and set. Yeah, this is hidden. Mine should be hidden, or yours should be hidden. I'm getting all my words messed up. What you're gonna want to do, just wait for it to load. Yep, there you go. It should. Oops, I messed it up because my dialogue GUI isn't freaking visible. And this isn't enabled. Alright. Do this. Straight to gonna ever. Come on. I'll be right back. I'm gonna make sure that I don't have any errors. I just want to see the output to make sure. Workspace.mount. Okay. So I'd actually meant to put this as NPC. Let's test it now. This should not work. There you go. Hello everyone. Oops. Take a look around. Explore. Just what are I? Let's sit at the picnic table. Why doesn't it move? Why isn't it moving? Did I not? Huh? What? What the heck? What just happened? Let's look for some apples. Find apples. There's one. And there's two. And here's the last one. 3. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please smash the like button, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!